In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with ClickUp seamlessly. By the end of this guide, you'll have your ClickUp tasks syncing directly with your Google Calendar, allowing you to manage your schedule more efficiently. Let's begin with the first step of our process, searching for ClickUp on your preferred web browser. Open your browser and type ClickUp into the search bar. Once you've entered the query, hit Enter, and you should see ClickUp as one of the top results. ClickUp is known for its robust task management features, which make organizing projects, tasks, and teams a breeze. After you've found ClickUp in the search results, go ahead and click on the link that takes you to the ClickUp homepage. The site will load, presenting you with its colorful and user-friendly interface. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Calendar section. The calendar is where you can view and manage your tasks by date, ensuring you meet deadlines and plan your work effectively. Once you're in the Calendar section, look for the Google Calendar integration option. It's crucial to have Google Calendar synced with ClickUp, so your tasks appear on your Calendar app, making it easier to plan your day without having to switch between multiple apps. Click on Google Calendar, and you'll be directed to a new page that prompts you to connect your accounts. Now, this next step involves choosing the Google account you wish to connect with ClickUp. You'll see a list of all the Google accounts currently in use on your device. Pick the email associated with your calendar and click on it. This connection might require you to log in if you're not already signed in. Ensure you have the correct credentials at hand to avoid any interruptions. Once you've selected your account, the system will prompt you to confirm your choice. This is an essential part of the process where ClickUp is asking for permission to access your Google Calendar. Click Continue to grant the necessary permissions. Rest assured, this step ensures that your Google Calendar and ClickUp can communicate efficiently, displaying your tasks within both applications. And there you have it. Once you click Continue, your Google Calendar should integrate with ClickUp, and you'll be all set. Now you can manage all your events, deadlines, and tasks in one cohesive system. This integration will save you time and enhance your productivity by ensuring that your calendar remains updated with the latest task information from ClickUp. Thank you for watching this guide on integrating Google Calendar with ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful and has empowered you to manage your tasks more effectively. Make sure to subscribe for more tech guides like this one. Have a productive day.